All right, time now to get to that winter wallop we have headed our way. Meteorologist Aaron White is here, and he's tracking this thing and going to let us know the path, when it's expected, and all that.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of things happening here as we head into the weekend. We got some bitter cold. We also have a big winter storm. And I mean, this is going to be the storm that is not just affecting us here in Ohio, but a lot of people really getting impacted.
And I get it. Everybody wants to know the numbers. You know, they want to know, okay, how much, you know, but until we get this close, we're getting closer. Like the models are starting to align now where you can put some numbers on.
And that's been the good thing, is we're starting to see a more consensus between all the models. At one point, it looked like one of them was going to be kind of bringing it south, others kind of coming up. And this one just coming in here in the last couple of hours. And what I want you to look at here is not necessarily each individual number, but notice how all the numbers are pretty similar. You go anywhere from 8 to 12 inches. That encompasses pretty much all of central and southern Ohio. And that is why our snowfall forecast is pretty much in alignment with that. So a lot of snow is on the way here as we head through the weekend, and really most of it occurring after midnight, Saturday night throughout the day, Sunday into Sunday night. So that 24-hour window, midnight to midnight, that's when most of the snow will be falling. So you may wake up Sunday morning, there will be snow on the ground, but you're not going to measure 8 to 12 inches until Sunday night or even Monday morning. Right now, though, things are pretty quiet. If you have any errands to run here going into tomorrow, note it's going to be cold on your Friday, but it will be quiet. We're not tracking any snow here tomorrow. And even for a good portion of Saturday, not tracking any snow until later into the afternoon and for the evening. Our storm is still 2,000 miles away off the coast of California. It's going to be tracking across the southern states through Arizona, New Mexico, out into the plains, and eventually it's going to bring a lot of impacts, again, here in Ohio, but also from Texas through Kansas, Missouri, even parts of Tennessee. Ice, snow, and heavy snowfall. Meanwhile, here in Ohio, we have winter storm watches for nearly the entire state. Almost the entire state, except for one county, a winter storm watch has been issued, and we likely will see those upgraded to warnings going into the day tomorrow. So here's a look at the latest forecast as we are tracking that snow starting during the evening hours on your Saturday. Light to moderate snowfall, kind of off and on here as we go through the evening, but watch what happens as we get past midnight. Snow really expands in coverage, widespread snowfall, and notice the darker blue, heavy snow arriving here for your Sunday morning. That heavy snow continues really throughout the day on Sunday, and even by 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we're still tracking some of that snow, and it continues all the way into about midnight, roughly around then, to end here for your Sunday night, with a few flurries still lingering into our Monday morning. So again, once all is said and done here, by Sunday night, Monday morning, this is our forecast. We are looking at 6 to 10 inches of accumulation for areas in the dark blue, Delaware, Marysville, Marion, up to Bucyrus. The further south you go, the heavier the snow will be. The Columbus Metro still looking at 8 to 12 inches of accumulation, and pretty widespread amounts, 8 to 12, but there will be a few spots that could measure more than a foot of snowfall here, again, once all is said and done by Sunday night. So 10 weather impact alert is in effect here as we go through tomorrow for very cold conditions into Saturday morning. And like I said, winter storm conditions here Saturday night through Sunday, with more bitter cold in the forecast. And I mean, look at Thursday morning next week, down to 1 degree below zero. Some very cold conditions are on the way.